Hey guys, this is Jordan coming to you from Ride HD 123, and today I'm going to be doing my unboxing. Blake just did his. Both the videos will be posted at near the same time. And so my other unboxing was a purple V2i deck, and his is the white, and that's what I ordered too. Get the same grip tape too. First off, we got paper and more paper and foam protectors. Another foam protector. They really care about your stuff, just not Lake's grip tape. My grip tape's perfect, unlike Lake's, because Lake, I don't know, they don't like him. Save the best for last. Yikes. Alright, we got aluminum, ODI Barnes and silver. Envy 9 bearings, purple spacers, doesn't matter, I'm not going to see them anyways. A bunch of stickers, I'll get back to those. Some paperwork, it's pretty nice, not really. And here's the V2i deck. Let's just put this open real quick. This is the main reason for the unboxing. Looks pretty nice. It's the white V2i deck. Graphics are good. The weld's good, unlike Lake's, because they don't like Lake again. I'm not going to open mine because you've probably already seen his, and his is the same deck, so there'll be pictures at the end if we're not lazy. This grip tape's going on it. Probably going to order the same wheels, the same, just a different color. And, oh yeah, the stickers. I got tilt stickers, more tilt stickers, more tilt stickers, more tilt stickers, a district sticker. I got 2 of these proto stickers. There's the other ones right here. A big proto sticker. Yeah, big proto sticker. Cheetah print, the vault sticker. Pink and teal, I guess, camo, the vault black and white, Apex. Oh, alright, well the camera just fell, but it's all good. We got an Apex sticker and another Apex sticker. Just dropped those, but yeah, there's the vault sticker in cheetah print again. The vault sticker in black and white, and 2 more little baby proto stickers. And I think that's about it. So I'll probably have a scooter check just like Lake will soon too. And I also have ordered I'll show you later in the video, they'll be in a picture. I ordered my Attic JD bars, and they pretty nice. I got them 24 wide. Or 23 point something, I can't remember. And I got them cut for SCS because I'm going to be riding my Tilt SCS and my Tilt Legacy forks in gunmetal. I'm going to be riding an Envy blue headset too, and that's about all I know so far. So comment, rate, and subscribe.